Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by powering on and signing in with your Apple ID. This links settings, iCloud, and the App Store. Once done, connect to Wi-Fi so system setup and updates can download. Make sure location services and Find My Mac are enabled for recovery. If you have data to migrate, attach the external drive or enable iCloud Drive now. Migration Assistant will detect sources. Finally, open system settings to confirm language, keyboard, and trackpad preferences. These choices streamline every subsequent step. You should update macOS before installing heavy apps so dependencies match. Click Software Update and install any pending patches. Next, personalize the dock and mission control to optimize window management. Assign hot corners for quick actions and enable automatic app downloads if you want seamless installs. Then download browsers, password managers, and backup utilities. Use the App Store for trusted apps and run installers one at a time to grant permissions. Make sure Time Machine is configured to an external or network disk for continuous backups. You finish by verifying backups and syncing. Open Finder and confirm iCloud Drive and external Time Machine snapshots are present. Then enable File Vault Disk Encryption, turn on the firewall, and set Gatekeeper to allow App Store and identified developers. This protects your data and apps. If you encounter issues, restart in safe mode to isolate extensions. If problems persist, reset the nvram/pram and try reinstalling macOS. One key tip: booting into recovery and using Disk Utility to repair the startup disk often resolves common failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.